Thank you for considering Enviroblind for your property. Since 1977, Enviroblind has been serving customers like you with the increased security and other benefits of rolling shutters and retractable screens. In this video, we'll cover everything you should expect in your installation process with us. Things to consider: sales rep visit and needs assessment, contract, check measure, fabrication, and installation. 1. Things to consider. Before you decide on Enviroblind shutters, there are a few things you probably want to consider. One is if you would like manual operation of your shutters, or if you would like them to be automated with a wall switch or even integration into your smart home system. The shutters are available in several different colors to match your decor and style. Another consideration is what level of security are you considering. We have security options from low to high. 2. Sales rep visit and needs assessment. One of our Enviroblind sales representatives will come to your property and spend some time with you to determine what your needs are and which of our products are best suited to meet them. 3. Contract. Once you have made your decisions, your Enviroblind representative will prepare the sales contract for you. Review it thoroughly to make sure everything is correct. Once the payment details have been arranged, your order will move forward in our system. 4. Check measure. A few days after you sign the contract, one of our technicians will visit your property and do a check measure to make sure that all the dimensions and requirements of your job are being met. 5. Fabrication. Once the check measure is completed, we will begin the custom fabrication process of your shutters. We do this all in-house at our facility in Upland, California. 6. Installation. The final step is for us to install your shutters. On the pre-arranged day, we will arrive at your property and begin the installation process. Most of our jobs are done within one day. We will leave your property clean and tidy when we are done, and the installers will show you the process of how to use your new Enviroblind rolling shutters. Thank you for considering Enviroblind.